Hi guys, real quick, thank you for all the emails and responses to the assignment, um, saying that you watched the video and you know when class is. Um, I'm making a quick tutorial about Jupyter Grades and how do you log in and do your actual check-in for class. So, as I said in the video before, the other video, that is your responsibility for you guys to log in, do your attendance for yourself. And then I got a lot of responses going, what? Um, I couldn't answer you then because I didn't know my specifics about that either. I was just given information how this works. So here's a quick tutorial. Um, so let's just say by now you should all know that your assignments are dropped at 9 a.m. So for odd days, for my Photo 1, Photo 2 classes, they're dropped at 9 a.m. on Mondays. General Art is 9 a.m. on Tuesdays. Okay, so that's when the assignment drops. From 9 to 12 is when you need to log into Jupyter Grades. So my best advice to you, before you do anything, log into Jupyter Grades and log into my class and check out the assignment, check out your grades, because how Jupyter Grades works is as long as you're signed in at a time that the teacher designated for the time duration the teacher designated, it will mark you as present. So, for example, you're in Photo 1. You log in to Jupyter Grades a little bit before 9. And then you start looking at anything from my class, from their your grades in my class to any assignments in the class to class forum or notifications for just my class, Photo 1. What happens is at 9 a.m., if you're still looking at those screens and you're on that screen for just my class, it will slowly take notice and log how long you're on. And so while it's doing that, if you play the videos, and most of the assignments I'm giving you will be videos at the same time, you should be able to basically be logged into my class and be marked present. Right now, currently, I've set the duration for about 5 minutes because most of my videos are at minimum 5 minutes, right? Maximum might be a lot longer, 10, 15, right? So if you consider it that way, you'll always be counted for class. This is what it looks like on my end. Obviously, I'm not showing everyone's name, but it will tell me, look, duration of 5 minutes. If you're present online on Jupyter Grades, for like, let's just say you're a Photo 1 kid, you're in my class, you click on your class or Photo 1, and you're logged in for 5 minutes, checking your grades, or leaving on the screen to check grades, check attendance, whatever. Only my class related things from the time period of 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So from 9 in the morning till noon. What happens is it'll mark you as present. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy. If you do anything and you don't do it, or you don't do it by this time, it might mark you as either A, absent, or B, tardy. I don't know yet. Today's the first day we're rolling it out, and today we're first testing it. So hopefully, Photo Kids, hopefully all of you do your attendance, because if you do, I don't know how this looks. If you don't, I'll also know how this looks. Alright guys, like I said before, this is all new to us. There will be hiccups, there will be issues, but it's okay. We're all learning together. But honestly, please try and log in. That's it. Thanks guys.